Hello guys, welcome to Super TV. It's your boy SA again here. We talk everything Chelsea, everything football. Yes, the new season is upon us. Few days into the new is it few days? Okay, just few weeks into the new season, and we are really buzzing. Not for anything, for just the fact that we are champions of Europe and we are out there to defend our crown and win the title from Manchester City, win every single laurel out there. Why? Because we've gotten the best manager in the league, the best German manager right now. Hello everybody, welcome to TU TV. It's SA again. If this is your first time here on our channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon too to get notified whenever we drop a new video. So, new season is upon us and everybody's buzzing. Everybody's back. Bakayoko, Batshuayi, Timo Werner, Kai Havertz. Okay, Messi Mount is not yet back. Kai Havertz, Kovacic, Kante, every single player out there, we are almost at full strength. Well, it's not every day you get recognized for something you do. So, this is a big shout out to Thomas Tuchel, who was recognized by by Germany. He has been awarded the title of the best German coach for last season. So Thomas Tuchel won the best German coach last season. Thomas Tuchel really impressed so many people, and he deserved more than this because he came into Chelsea when there was nothing, when all hope were like dead. All hope, everybody sees Chelsea like, if Chelsea are not even going to qualify for Champions League, Chelsea are not even going to be first 10. But it came when the sea was rough. He came and steadied the ship for Chelsea, qualified Chelsea for the Champions League, took Chelsea to the FA Cup final, took Chelsea to the Champions League final, and won the Champions League, conceding just 2 goals from the knockout stage till the end of the campaign. So he deserved it. Looking at his stats right now, you just know he deserved it. Chances created since Thomas Tuchel came in first, but chances, not big chances, Chelsea were first, but we were unable to even convert those chances. So players to watch out for going into this new season, I think we'll watch out for Timo Werner. He has a point to prove. Yes, despite his own inputs going in for last season just to win Champions League, he has a point to prove. Hakimi Ziyech, yes, everybody knows Hakimi Ziyech, that he can actually perform magic on the night. Hakimi Ziyech is like, he reminds me of Cesc Fabregas, but so far so good. He has not played even 50% of how good he is. Looking back to how he played for Ajax, you know that Hakimi Ziyech has not even done 50% of what he did for Ajax. So this is another player to watch out for the new season. Kai Havertz, magical player. He helped Chelsea to win Champions League last season, but still yet he hasn't even performed half of what we know Kai Havertz for. Checking back in his Bayer Leverkusen days, you know what I'm saying. Although he had a pretty good tournament in the Euros for Germany, he was really massive for Germany in the Euros. Just sadly, they were knocked out by England. So Kai Havertz is another player who we all be watching out for closely. Chelsea has so many guns blazing players who we know are going to come out gun blazing. Another person is Tammy Abraham. Although Tammy Abraham was not used that much last season for a while, well, now with the preseason games coming thick and fast, and hopefully from his own side, if Chelsea don't get to sign a new striker, he will definitely be involved full time, and he would definitely want to impress. Yes, he would definitely want to impress. Another player to look out for coming into the new season is Armando Broja. He's not going on loan. I don't see him going on loan. And with the way the season is coming in thick and fast, games, so many games, Chelsea will be playing so many games, and Armando Broja will be involved. As of today, Chelsea are yet to sign a striker, so Armando Broja to me is Chelsea third choice striker right now. No two ways about it. So these are just few players who we're going to watch out for this coming season. Also, we still need to watch out for Charlie Musanda. Although he's just coming back from a 2 years injury which almost took his career away, and I believe that with few game time he will definitely come back to the Charlie Musanda we normally used to know. He is slick. He's just like he's everything like Eden Hazard, but not everything. You can't actually compare him to Eden Hazard. You can't really compare him to Eden Hazard, but he has the Eden Hazard traits. So the particular player I'm actually looking out for this season, I'm praying he start banging in the goals, is no other person than Timo Werner. Timo Werner can miss chance. He can definitely he as in I know of a friend who we watch game together. Anytime Timo Werner misses the game, he calls him a defensive striker. For somebody to start calling Timo Werner a defensive striker, you know how much he misses goals. Like there are times when Timo Werner is supposed to just put the game to bed, and instead he gives you that attack. But going into the new season, for him having this first full preseason with Chelsea, I believe he will come out guns blazing into the new season. Despite the fact that Chelsea are in the market to sign a new striker, and Erling Haaland has been in the news, and reports right now is that Chelsea will test Erling Haaland, will test Dortmund resolve by bidding 130 million for Erling Haaland, and if they don't accept it, they add 20 million as add-on, and in total Chelsea will pay him 150 million for Erling Haaland. Well, till then, until Dortmund and Chelsea come to a compromise, as it is right now, Chelsea only has 3 strikers: Werner, Abraham, and Armando Broja, and we are looking forward to see how they can improve the team. And also Thomas Tuchel, I know he's going to work out his magic again. For him coming at the when Chelsea were almost dead, and revived Chelsea to win the Champions League. Remember what he said? He said in his words, I just want to quote him: "We'll make Chelsea team great again. We'll make anybody coming to Chelsea to play against Chelsea. We'll make it not fun for the person. We'll make Chelsea unplayable." And he actually did that. Beating Real Madrid, beating Atletico Madrid, beating Man City. Come on, he deserves every single awards he wins out there. So these are just a few players we will be watching out for this season. I'd like to know the players you will be watching out for this season. Drop your comments at the comment section. And if this is your first time on our channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button. Click